Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to explore the profound concept of making the impossible possible, a notion that has inspired countless individuals throughout history to defy the odds, challenge the status quo, and achieve greatness against all odds. From ancient philosophers to modern-day visionaries, the idea of transcending limitations and pushing the boundaries of what is deemed achievable has been a recurring theme in the narratives of human achievement and progress. Let us embark on this journey of exploration by delving into the words of the great Chinese philosopher, Confucius, who famously said, "It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop." In these words, Confucius reminds us that progress is often gradual and incremental, but with persistence and determination, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. It is through perseverance and unwavering commitment that we can transform the seemingly impossible into the possible. Similarly, the ancient Greek mathematician Archimedes once declared, "Give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world." In this statement, Archimedes speaks to the power of innovation and ingenuity to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. By harnessing the forces of nature and leveraging our creative potential, we can achieve feats that were once thought to be beyond the realm of possibility. I invite you on a journey of exploration into the profound concept of making the impossible possible. It is a journey filled with challenges, triumphs, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. From ancient myths to modern-day marvels, the human story is punctuated by moments of audacity and ambition, where individuals dared to defy the odds and turn dreams into reality. Imagine, if you will, the ancient tale of the Greek hero, Hercules, tasked with completing 12 seemingly impossible labors. From slaying the Nemean lion to capturing the golden hind, each trial tested his strength, courage, and ingenuity. Yet, through sheer determination and unwavering resolve, Hercules emerged victorious, proving that with perseverance, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Similarly, in the realm of science and exploration, we find the story of the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, who dared to defy gravity and take to the skies. Confronted with skeptics who deemed human flight an impossibility, the brothers persevered, experimenting tirelessly until they achieved their goal. And on a cold December day in 1903, their Wright Flyer soared into the history books, forever changing the course of human transportation. But the pursuit of the impossible is not limited to epic tales and grand adventures. It is woven into the fabric of everyday life, where ordinary individuals confront extraordinary obstacles with courage and conviction. Consider the single mother who works multiple jobs to provide for her children, the aspiring entrepreneur who risks everything to pursue their passion, or the athlete who defies medical odds to achieve Olympic glory. Their stories remind us that the impossible is not a barrier but a challenge to be embraced, a call to action to push the boundaries of what we believe to be achievable. In the realm of innovation and technology, we find countless examples of individuals who dared to dream beyond the confines of convention and possibility. From Thomas Edison's invention of the electric light bulb to Steve Jobs' creation of the iPhone, these visionaries challenged the status quo, disrupted industries, and transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. Their stories serve as a testament to the power of imagination, determination, and unwavering belief in the potential of human ingenuity. But perhaps the most inspiring examples of making the impossible possible are found in the realm of social justice and human rights. Throughout history, brave individuals have risen up against oppression, discrimination, and injustice, daring to envision a world where all are treated with dignity and respect. From Mahatma Gandhi's nonviolent resistance to colonial rule in India to Nelson Mandela's fight against apartheid in South Africa, These leaders defied seemingly insurmountable odds and inspired movements that changed the course of history. In conclusion, let us embrace the challenge of making the impossible possible. Let us dare to dream big, to pursue our passions with relentless determination, and to never lose sight of the boundless potential that lies within each of us. For it is through our collective efforts, our unwavering belief in the power of possibility, that we can create a world where anything is achievable. Moving forward in history, we encounter the wisdom of the American inventor Thomas Edison, who famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's words remind us that failure is not the end, but merely a stepping stone on the path to success. It is through experimentation, trial, and error that breakthroughs are made and new frontiers are discovered. Edison's relentless pursuit of innovation serves as a testament to the power of perseverance and resilience in the face of adversity. In the modern era, this sentiment has been echoed by countless leaders and innovators who have achieved remarkable success in their respective fields. From space exploration to medical breakthroughs, from technological advancements to social justice movements, the history of human achievement is replete with examples of individuals who dared to dream the impossible and made it a reality. From ancient wisdom to modern-day insights, the importance of focusing on our goals has been emphasized by countless individuals who have achieved remarkable success in their lives. Imagine, if you will, the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle, who famously said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. In these timeless words, Aristotle reminds us that achieving our goals requires consistent effort and focus. It is not enough to simply have a goal. We must dedicate ourselves to it wholeheartedly, cultivating the habits and mindset necessary for success. Similarly, in the realm of personal development, we find the wisdom of the American author and motivational speaker, Tony Robbins, who famously said, "Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible." Robbins emphasizes the importance of clarity and vision in achieving our goals. By defining our objectives with precision and clarity, we can harness the power of focus to transform our dreams into reality. But the journey of concentrating on our goals is not without its challenges. In a world filled with distractions and competing priorities, staying focused on our objectives can often feel like an uphill battle. Yet, it is during these moments of difficulty that our commitment to our goals is truly tested. It is through perseverance, resilience, and unwavering determination that we can overcome obstacles and stay true to our path. In the realm of entrepreneurship and innovation, we find countless examples of individuals who have achieved remarkable success by staying focused on their goals. From Elon Musk's ambitious vision to colonize Mars to Oprah Winfrey's relentless pursuit of empowerment and inspiration, these visionaries have demonstrated the power of concentration and determination in achieving extraordinary outcomes. But perhaps the most inspiring examples of concentrating on our goals are found in the realm of personal transformation and growth. Throughout history, brave individuals have embarked on journeys of self-discovery, pushing past their limitations and overcoming their fears to achieve their deepest aspirations. From Helen Keller's triumph over deafness and blindness to Stephen Hawking's groundbreaking discoveries in theoretical physics, these individuals remind us of the limitless potential that lies within each of us when we commit ourselves to our goals with unwavering focus and determination. In conclusion, let us embrace the challenge of concentrating on our goals. Let us dare to dream big, to define our objectives with clarity and precision, and to dedicate ourselves wholeheartedly to their pursuit. For it is through our unwavering commitment, our relentless focus, that we can transform our aspirations into reality and achieve our fullest potential. Whether it's a personal goal, a professional aspiration, or a dream that has been burning within us for years, the path to achievement is both challenging and deeply rewarding. Through dedication, perseverance, and a strategic approach, we can unlock our full potential and turn our dreams into reality. The first step on the journey to achievement is clarity of vision. We must take the time to define our goals with precision and clarity, identifying exactly what it is that we wish to achieve. Without a clear vision, we risk drifting aimlessly through life, never fully realizing our potential. So take a moment to ask yourself, what is it that I truly want to achieve? What is my ultimate objective, and why is it important to me? Once we have defined our goals, the next step is to develop a plan of action. This plan should outline the steps we need to take to move closer to our objectives, as well as the resources and support systems we will need along the way. It's important to be realistic and strategic in our planning, breaking down our goals into manageable tasks and setting deadlines to keep us accountable. But perhaps the most crucial ingredient in the recipe for achievement is perseverance. As the saying goes, Rome wasn't built in a day. Achieving something meaningful takes time, effort, and resilience in the face of adversity. There will inevitably be setbacks and challenges along the way, but it is our ability to persevere in the face of these obstacles that ultimately determines our success. In addition to perseverance, it's also important to cultivate a growth mindset. This means embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, viewing failure as a stepping stone to success, and constantly seeking out opportunities to learn and improve. By adopting a growth mindset, we can overcome self-doubt and fear of failure, and instead approach our goals with confidence and optimism. Another key ingredient in the recipe for achievement is discipline. We must be willing to make sacrifices and prioritize our goals over short-term gratification. This may mean saying no to distractions and temptations that pull us away from our objectives, or it may mean setting boundaries and creating routines that support our goals. Whatever form it takes, discipline is essential for staying focused and making consistent progress towards our aspirations. Finally, achieving something meaningful requires a support system. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, encourage you, and hold you accountable to your goals. Whether it's friends, family, mentors, or colleagues, having a strong support network can provide invaluable guidance, motivation, and encouragement on your journey to achievement. In conclusion, achieving something meaningful is a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and strategic planning. By defining our goals with clarity, developing a plan of action, cultivating a growth mindset, and surrounding ourselves with a strong support network, we can unlock our full potential and turn our dreams into reality. But perhaps no one has embodied the spirit of making the impossible possible more fully than the civil rights leader Martin Luther King Jr., who famously declared, "I have a dream." In these words, King articulated a vision of a world free from racial discrimination and injustice, a vision that inspired millions to join the struggle for equality and justice. Through his courage, conviction, and unwavering belief in the power of love and nonviolence, King transformed a seemingly impossible dream into a tangible reality, forever changing the course of history. In conclusion, let us heed the words of these wise individuals and embrace the challenge of making the impossible possible. Let us dare to dream big, to push the boundaries of what is deemed achievable, and to never lose sight of the power of persistence, determination, and belief in oneself. For it is in the pursuit of the impossible that we discover our true potential and leave a lasting legacy for future generations. Thank you.